Guys, I'm very sad to report the passing of Kobe Bryant. He died this morning, Sunday morning, 41 years old, in a helicopter crash that killed all 5 people on board. We don't know why it crashed, but it crashed into a Calabasas hillside in California. Eyewitnesses videotaped it. They heard it sputtering. It went down into fiery flames, and by the time emergency personnel arrived, there was no sign of life, and no help could be administered. He was a legendary basketball player, and may he rest in peace. Leave your comments below on your favorite memories of Kobe Bryant, the legendary basketball star. He's survived by his wife Vanessa and his 4 daughters. And I wish them a heartfelt and speedy recovery during these hard times. Thank you for watching.